Hello student, today we are going to start chapter 5 acid, base and salt. We have used our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, turmeric, common salt, sugar and vinegar. Do they have the same taste? Student, हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारी सब्सटेंस यूज करते हैं, कुछ को टेस्ट करते हैं. क्या इन सब का टेस्ट सेम होता है? Let us recall taste of some edible substance list in table 5.1. If you have not tasted any substance, taste it and now fill the table 5.1. Student, in this table, some substance is given. Firstly, you taste these substance and write their taste in the next column. Here, taste, sour in taste, bitter in taste or any other taste. Okay, for example, lemon juice is sour in taste, orange juice sour in taste, vinegar sour in taste, curd also sour in taste, turmeric, imli is also sour in taste, sugar sweet in taste. So you write here any other. Okay, common salt salty in taste. So you write here any other. Amla sour in taste, baking soda bitter in taste. Okay, baking soda bitter in taste, grapes sour in taste, unripe mango sour in taste, cucumber bitter. Student, you find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter and some taste sweet and some taste salty. Now we read the next topic, acid and base. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. Student, these substances taste sour because they contain acid. इनका टेस्ट सोर है क्योंकि इनमें एसिड है. The chemical nature of such substance is acidic. और जिनमें एसिड होता है उनका chemical nature acidic होता है. Okay, so mark these line. The substance taste sour because they contain acid and these chemical nature of such substance is acidic. Student, the word acid come from the Latin word acere, which means sour. The acid in these substances are natural acid. Student, what about the baking soda? Does it also taste sour? No. Baking soda have a taste bitter. It is a bitter taste. If you rub its solution between finger, you feel soapy. आपको साबुन जैसा फील होगा. ओके, अगर आप बेकिंग सोडा का सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं और उसे अपने हैंड में रब करते हैं तो आप यू फील सोपी. ओके, generally substance like these which are bitter in taste are and feel soapy on touching are known as base. Okay, substance which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. Okay, and the nature of some substance is said to be basic. Now student, special type of substance are used to taste whether a substance is acidic or basic. Okay, some substance we used to test that whether a substance is acid or base. To test the substance is acid or base, we used some other substance which we call indicator. Okay, indicator. Special type of substance are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicator. Student, indicator change their color when added in a solution containing acid or base substance. Natural indicator, very important. What are natural indicators which found in our natures? Example, turmeric, haldi, litmus, China rose petals. They are some natural occurring indicator. Student, now this is your work also. You have to learn the names of acid. For example, vinegar. In vinegar, which acid is there? Acetic acid. Okay, either you learn that acetic acid present in vinegar, acetic acid found in vinegar, formic acid present in ant string, citric acid present in citrus food such as oranges, lemon, etc. Lactic acid present in curd, oxalic acid, spinach, ascorbic acid, amla, citrus food, and tartaric acid found in turmeric, grapes, unripe mango. You also learn some bases. For example, chemical hydroxide present in lime water, ammonium hydroxide window cleaner, sodium hydroxide soap, potassium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide found in soap, magnesium hydroxide found in milk of magnesium. This is your work that you learn this table.